Let's cook roast butternut squash, fennel and lentil salad. Now, I don't want to boast, but I do have a rather large squash, so I'm only going to use half of it. It needs to be peeled and the fibrous centre removed before being cut into finger-sized pieces. Fennel's a fantastic veggie, that awesome aniseed taste. What I'll do is I'll save the leaves to use in our garnish. I can just cut those off and put them to one side. Now slice the fennel into 1/2 centimetre slices and add them to the squash. We need some oil so everything can roast together beautifully. About 4 tablespoons of olive oil should do it, and I'll add 1 teaspoon of caraway seeds. You can use fennel seeds, but I didn't have any, and 1 teaspoon of cumin seeds. 2 tablespoons of maple syrup, zest of 1/2 a lemon, and a crushed garlic clove. Mix it all together so the squash and all the fennel are coated in that beautiful oil. And now it's ready to go in the oven, preheated to 200 degrees Celsius for around about 30 or 40 minutes, or until the squash is cooked and everything looks irresistible. While that's all becoming fantastically delicious, you can make the ricotta and yogurt dressing, linked above and in the description. Remember those fennel fronds? We can pick them and get the tasty leaves, and we'll prepare some dill as well, adding a few drops of lemon juice. A butternut squash, fennel and lentil salad wouldn't be complete without lentils. Tinned or packet is absolutely perfect. They're cooked already, nothing to do but drain them before adding them to our roast squash and fennel. Giving it all a good mix, being careful not to break up the squash too much. Plating couldn't be any easier. Just make sure that you get some of everything. Squash, fennel, lentils. Garnish with the dill and fennel leaves, and add a good dollop of that ricotta and yogurt dressing. Then spend as long as you want making it look pretty. When you realise that cooking good food shouldn't be difficult, you'll find yourself cooking more dishes like this butternut squash, fennel and lentil salad.